So here we are in the administration application for Graffiti, and I just wanted to show you how we can edit the look and feel of pages. So if I come into, I reckon it's presentation, and click on themes, what we can do is to actually personalize the current theme. I could have, this is just an icon, this page here, I could change that. But if I click on personalize, what that shows me is the actual pages. Now, home.layout.view is the layout for the home page. So if we go in there, we can see that it's basically the HTML for the page, and there's some special macros and things that embed themselves in here, and this is some programming. The way that you extend basically Graffiti sites is through these widgets. They're called chalk extensions and macros. So this one here is a macro with some methods that hang off of that, and you can create your own custom ones. And so you can basically edit any of the raw HTML of the layout. So this is the home page layout. There's also a layout for all other pages, which is just the layout view, and I've actually got them both the same at this point in time. Then the other views just control how things are displayed, whether you're viewing a list of items. So if we look in the layout view here, you'll see this macro called child content. What that means is it basically inserts the child content based on what page you're on. So if you're on a page that displays like a list of entries, such as the home page, then what would get embedded in here is the index view. So this content that we're about to see here gets injected into the middle of the page. So when we actually see, let me just click over into the site in a new tab. If we go to the home page and we see this list here, everything outside of that list is defined in the layout. The items in the middle of the page are what is defined by this index view. So it just does it for each post in posts and renders some HTML. Similarly, if we click on a post, we now go to the actual post view, and that is controlled by this template here, post view. There's a lot of ways to extend this and customize it, but we could come in here and go playing around. If we just type that in there and save changes, and then come back to here, you'd find that text would get embedded in the template, because that's just a piece of static text. But you see that it's also making use of these macros for the post title and the post body, which get injected in post title and post body. So it's really easy to control content and inject it into layout. So there's a good separation of content and layout within the site. And you can create new files, you can edit the style sheets and so forth. So really useful stuff. All of the pages are revisioned, so we can actually keep version histories on pages as well. So that's it. That's basically from the administration dashboard side, how we can use some of those features there to manipulate and control our page layouts. Thanks.